Thank you for choosing Australian Turntables. This video is designed to help you understand the important details when preparing the required cement-based slabs that support our turntables. Please note that all information in this presentation is general and an engineer is recommended to certify the final design. In this example, we have a scenario with a sloped driveway with the turntable installed in front of the garage, which allows for forward entry and exit. Let's focus on the cement slab and its features. The concrete thickness should be between 150mm and 200mm. The base slab needs to have 2 layers of SL82 mesh, 35mm from top and bottom. The concrete should be at least 25 MPa. Please allow 7 days of curing time. This allows the concrete to harden sufficiently so the concrete fixing bolts can hold the turntable in place. When laying your slab, please ensure there's a slight fall towards the drain. The drain location can be anywhere around the pit as long as it is the required distance from the centre. This dimension is detailed in the turntable specification document. For a pit built on a slope, you must locate the drain at the lowest point to allow the water to drain correctly. The water can either go into a sump pit with a pump or directly into the stormwater drain. Types of slab. There are 2 main types of slab, the blind rough slab and the rebate step-down slab. Here's an example of both in the same scenario. First, let's look at the blind slab. The shape of the slab is not critical as long as it is large enough for us to install the turntable. Don't forget to allow space for the motorbox. Adding starter bars around the turntable will help to secure the base slab to the new surrounding slab. Then, concrete is poured right up to the turntable edge. This method is the most common as the surrounding concrete looks uniform without the need for construction joints or breaks. Now, switching over to the rebate slab. After the turntable is installed, concrete must be filled between the turntable edge and the rebate pit edge. This method may be needed due to waterproofing or engineered design requirements. However, you'll notice that when backfilling concrete around the turntable, the colour of the concrete may vary. It also creates cold joints. If the finish is using tiles or pavers, then these considerations are not an issue. Make sure any conduits or other equipment are set into the slab if required. Types of turntables. We have 2 main types of car turntables, the CTX model and the CTX PR model. The CTX model has a galvanized steel top finish, while the CTX PR model offers customization options such as concrete, tiles, or brick, tailored to the client's needs. For the PR model, it's crucial to reinforce the interior with mesh. Removing the inspection, center, and motorbox covers when filling with concrete is also recommended. It is very important to add AbleFlex in the perimeter gap to stop slurry from entering under the turntable. You have the option for split installations, where Australian Turntables can install only the perimeter formwork. The installation of the rotating top, motors, and controls can be scheduled for a later date, though additional charges may apply. This approach is useful when there is temporary support for the ceiling above, or when the installation of the rotating top is delayed for an extended period. This method helps keep the turntable looking new. We hope this video has been helpful. However, if there is any information that is still unclear, please contact Australian Turntables as we are more than happy to answer any further questions. Since 1987, Australian Turntables has developed a very efficient process to make the installation experience as easy as possible for you. Working with us and following our process ensures a smooth installation and the highest quality product.